Okay, simple probability. This topic for TSI. A one-sided dice rolled. What is the probability of rolling a number that is even and 5? So we're going to look at the die. Okay, we have the dice here. I'm gonna mark that 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. He said when you roll a die, you get an even number. So my even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So I got 3 out of 6. And a 5. So plus 1. Plus 1 out of 6. So we got 4 out of 6, or 2/3. The answer is letter D. Next. Is there are 3 blue crayons. Okay, let me look at that. Blue crayons. 4 yellow crayons. 4 and 3. 2 red crayons and 1 green crayon. What is the probability of selecting a random a blue crayon? Okay, so let's figure out. So probability of having a blue. So let's get the value here. Blue, we have 3. Yellow, 4. Red, you get 2. And green, get 1. Let's take the total. The total will be, let's say this is 3 plus 4 plus 2. That's 10. So how many blue? Probability of getting blue out of 10. So we got 3 out of 10. The answer is letter A. Next question. A lottery game has balls number 1 to 21. Okay, 1. Let's go back to this. What happened here? 1 to 21. What is the probability of selecting an even number or 11? Or maybe this is n. This is n. 11. So let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Let's write it here, 21. So the question is, what's the probability of getting an even number, even, and 21? Oh, even and 11. Let's look at it. Let's start with the even. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11 here. Okay, so we got how many circles there? We have 10 plus 1, it's 11 out of 21. So the answer is letter C. Next question. Question number 4. What is the probability of selecting a male from a group of 4 males and 8 females? Okay. Probability of male. So that's the question. Let's let's find first what let's try first to figure out this. Males has 4 and female 8. If you add that, you got 12 as your total. So if they're asking for male, so we get 4 out of 12. But we always simplify the number. So 4 is divisible by 4, of course. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Answer is 1/3. Answer is letter A. Last number. A bag contains A bag contains 15 red marbles, 10 blue marbles, and 5 green marbles. What is the probability of choosing the marble that is not green when one marble is drawn from the bag? Okay, let's write out there. Red is 15, blue is 10, green is 5. Okay, the total is, this is 15 plus 10, it's 25 plus 5 is 30. What is the probability of choosing marble not green? Okay, so not green. So they said it's not the green. So we got this number here. So this is 25. So answer is 25 out of 30. But if we simplify that, it's divisible by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. So my final answer is 5/6. Letter C. Thank you.